This professional development video is centered on integrated learning. Implementing the concepts attached to integrated learning can be difficult, and there is some evident concern into how this can be accomplished. One way to implement integrated studies is through adapting models of integrated studies. In our group KWL chart, Nicole posed the question, which models of integration could I use? When designing an integrated learning plan, there are many different models that can be utilised. The models can be adapted depending on which of the three main categories of integration you are pinpointing. These categories include interdisciplinary, this is integration within subjects, multidisciplinary, being across multiple subjects, and transdisciplinary, which is integrated knowledge well beyond the subject itself. Fogarty 1991 lists 10 models of integration that can fit within these three categories. Within interdisciplinary integration, there are 3 models listed by Fogarty, including the fragmented model, the connected model, and the nested model. The nested model, for an example, is used to target multiple skills within a certain subject area. This could involve targeting social skills through collaborative work, thinking skills through pattern recognition, and geographical content through recognizing sedimentary layers, all within one set lesson or series of lessons. The models of integration identified within the category of multidisciplinary integration include the sequenced model, the shared model, the integrated model, and the webbed model. As a selected example, the webbed model bases itself around one particular theme. From this theme, many other lessons are directed, which allows contextual concepts to form through relevant understandings. This could be used to integrate studies such as maths and science through a space theme. The final category of transdisciplinary integration identifies 2 more models, including the immersed model and the networked model. The networked model, as an example, creates multiple directions of learning within one component of study. It is not an extensively used model in primary education, however it does hold value. The model fixates on one specific concept that the learner has a component of deep understanding for. The model is learner-driven and focuses upon reaching across through various fields of specialization to create networked layers of knowledge. For example, if students are studying the medieval times, they could be split into different groups who research different specific areas of knowledge from the time period. Once the groups have developed a deep understanding of the area, they can come together and network to create a much deeper, holistic presentation of the time period. Accomplishing the implementation of these models in the practical setting of a classroom is not always a simple task. However, the vast array of differing models available can give you the ability to choose the model that best identifies the needs of your lesson. The link below offers a deeper explanation and examination of a number of the models we've discussed in this video. It is a link to a book written by Fogarty and Peat, 2 theorists on integrated studies. The book offers a deep explanation of each model of integration, as well as the advantages, disadvantages, appropriateness, and methods of implementation. Thank you for taking the time to develop your own knowledge of integrated studies further. The value it has in education and within the curriculum is extensive, and taking the time to further its presence in your own education setting is certainly not time wasted.